So, good evening, everyone, and welcome again. So, welcome to this special Instagram live session with Dr. Dinesh Chauhan. I am doing this again because of the tech issues which happened just now, and we'll start it again. And I want to tell you that Dr. Dinesh Chauhan is internationally acclaimed homeopath, teacher, and he's a traveler by choice. He's an amazing photographer and amazing teacher of homeopathy. So today we are going to talk about plants and integrative approach which he uses in his practice, which is very useful. So let's have sir and chat with him a little bit. Yes, sir.
Now,
Abhi आया. Yes, much better.
much better.
Perfect
Now
now.
I'm again on Bluetooth actually.
सर वो लाइव सर्कल जैसे पूरा हो गया है वापस उसी पे आ गए
No problem.
sir,
Let's
so welcome
let
again, and I'm so
let's
sorry
start.
for this.
Let's start. So
Yes.
the
So, sir, let's
idea
start
is
again.
I idea is that so many times what we know of remedy is not something what it for so many generations, people have told us that this is important in this remedy, but is it so? Have
Mm-hmm.
we looked from different dimension? That's the whole
Mm-hmm.
idea. Like I tell you
Yes.
that many people ask me that we Indians are very good at memorizing things.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need, we are good with remedies, but we don't need a group thinking, a plant family or a higher order or a class thinking.
Mm-hmm.
And many, because we are very good with memorize, our memory is very good. You look at the homeopaths from Bengal, homeopath, from all over, Fatak, Bori, Clark is on the tip of their tongue.
Yes, true.
It's our gift and also it's our problem. Like in
Mm-hmm.
2005, they did an experiment in Ohio University.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole experiment was that they selected four group of students, 5-year-old, 7-year-old, 11-year-old, and the adult.
Mm-hmm.
And the idea was to check their memory and what is happening. So they showed a picture of a cat to all of them. And they said the cat has beta cell in their body. Beta cell
Okay.
in the body. Then they showed other 30 animals and repeated that cat has beta cell in the body. And afterwards they showed another 15 animals, different ones. Then they asked them to identify all.
Mm-hmm.
The 5-year-old were the best. Then the 7, then 11, and the adult were the worst.
Mm-hmm.
Now, why this happened? Because the young, they saw every picture as a whole, not that what has been put in their mind that cat has a beta cell.
Yes.
You understanding it?
Yes. Yes.
But the grown up, it got fixed up. If it is cat, then it is beta cell. Other does not exist for them. So they didn't pay attention to it.
Mm-hmm.
And then the whole experiment, the conclusion was, which lasted for 6 months with different groups, that when we focus on a particular thing, a local, we
Mm-hmm.
lose the sight of the global, the whole. And when we focus on the whole, we miss the part.
Okay.
Now that is what is happening. In our group, we are very good with the group thinking. But since 10 years, I doubt that many of them would have even opened Phatak, Bori, Clark, or Ellen's Keynote or something, because they go with the theme. And
Yes.
same with the people who go with the materia medica only, they lose the sight of the whole.
Yes.
And that's what happened. We need both this ability. We need this ability to memorize, which we Indian have, and we need this capacity of the capacity of making it whole, which Western people have. That's why all the mineral theme came from the West first.
Yes.
You see, it comes from there. Where the periodic understanding, the general also physics wise, it came from there. The evolution of animals, everything came from there.
Yeah.
It's so that we need both. We need memorization, we need the categorization. We need our materia medica repertory proving. At the same time, we need a bigger system. I give you an example. How many of us play chess?
Yeah.
The chess playing is like a knave is playing and a grandmaster is playing, let's say Anand.
Okay.
The knave is like the one who knows the scattered materia medica. He knows few steps here, there, and checkmate. That's it.
Yes.
But the grandmaster Anand knows every step possible in the chess. Those 50,555, all he knows. So when he's thinking from those 55,000 steps. And the beginner is only thinking of that 10 and he thinks he's the master. You understanding it?
Yes. Yes. True.
That is the difference between knowing just materia medica or knowing the group. We need
Yes.
a kind of integrative, holistic approach, which we are missing. And are we only talking about this, or our master spoke about this? Our master spoke about this a lot. Right from the beginning, if you see H.A. Robert, he wrote beautifully. He said, if we were in a possession of a scientific arrangement of a materia medica, we might make it a basis of a study of medicine. But at present, we cannot expect to construct anything satisfactory on such an uncertain and incomplete basis. The memory is incapable of retaining anything but what is presented to it in connection with something else. An idea is easily brought to recollection only when the connection with others. The time is, we hope, not far distant when we shall be able to talk about object of our science in a same manner as natural historian do to theirs. When, like them, we may be able to give complete description of this object without touching upon unimportant matter. The time, we hope, is at hand when we shall know what is and what is not important in our materia medica. So it is so important, and that's where I started, that I need my first step that I need, if I want to understand a remedy, a family, a higher order from any kingdom, I need to understand integrative holisticness of those remedies. Yeah, that was the first step, like case taking. My second step was that I cannot have a two-dimensional approach. Like in homeopathy, we have two approaches.
Mm-hmm.
The first approach is my approach, a fixed approach, which is known as fixed approach or two-dimensional approach, cause and
Mm-hmm.
effect approach, my system approach. And there is
Yes.
another approach which is called multi-dimensional approach. Means you are
Mm-hmm.
not looking from two-dimensional fixed Newtonian way, but you are looking from an integrative way.
Okay.
So that's
Yes.
where I started looking at remedy. First remedies at an integrative way. When I
Mm-hmm.
say integrative, what I mean?
Yes.
I started integrating classical masters and modern classical masters. The classical Materia Medica repertory and the modern masters Materia Medica repertory. Classical proving as well as modern proving. That way, I have vision from both the side and not just fixed on what has been told to me.
Yes.
After doing that, I started looking at remedy not only at the homeopathic viewpoint, just
Mm-hmm.
repertory or just proving or just materia medica. I started looking remedy from a different perspective, like looking remedy from a chemical angle, what chemical it carries, looking remedy from natural angle, the microscopic and macroscopic feature of that remedy.
Mm-hmm.
Then I started looking at the remedy from mythological angle. Then started looking remedy from the other use, like modern medicine use, the new research wise, what is happening with that remedy.
Yes.
And once I've looked from 7 8 different dimension, I check what is that which is running through and through in that remedy. That becomes holistic.
Wow. Yes.
So that's where the approach started with a one remedy. I did those with
Yes.
many what I used to teach. And then I said, well, if it is true for one, why can't it be true for all? So that similar group I can know. For example, we all know arnica, right?
Yes.
Now
We
arnica
think
is
we
our
do.
bread. Arnica is our bread and butter. How many of you are
Yes.
here? Tell me one symptom of arnica. Just write it down. Which you think? I think one thing which homeopath know is arnica, right? Or bryonia
Yes.
or nux vomica or nux moschata, right? I challenge you. See how much bias we are, that we carrying that bias for 200 long years. I challenge you, if you can give me arnica's holistic and convince me here one by one, just keep writing if you
Says
want to.
sore, lame, bruised feeling is one answer.
Great. I don't see here, but yeah, keep going.
Yeah, more guys. So whatever you know about arnica and you think that that's the holistic symptom of arnica, please write it down. Again, sore, lame, bruised feeling all over the body.
Hmm.
Okay, and then reabsorption of blood from capillary oozation. Okay, Anjali. Bed seems to be very hard.
Hmm. Right. Now let me now give you a shock your life today. See, now I'm talking about integrative, looking from a broader perspective from the seven angle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The first,
Yes.
you know that arnica belong to family which old name composite,
Composite
new
asterisk.
name new name Asteraceae.
Yes.
Yeah. In Asteraceae, this is the largest family in homeopathy and in nature. You know how many
Okay.
remedies there in homeopathy? from Arnica family? Just guess, some guesswork.
So can anyone guess that how many remedies? I know 7, 8 remedies from the family.
7, 8 in your Boric. At least 100 is there from Arnica family. And in homeopathy, we have 173 till now. New,
My God.
very new, I don't know. So 173 only from Arnica family.
Oh
And
God.
some are well known. You know also, but you don't know they belong here. One thing.
Yeah.
So naturally, every time I see Arnica like case, I will give Arnica if I know my vision is only two-dimensional. If my vision is multi-dimensional, I will look from like Anand, like a chess master from every angle, then think.
Mhm. Yes.
You understanding it? Now, see what
Yes.
I did for Arnica. I said in Arnica, let me understand this is the remedy which I know well. It is injury. Nothing else but
Yes.
injury. Yeah?
True.
Now
Yeah.
look, I'm
That we
looking
all
from
know.
Arnica, from Materia Medica. I am reading general, particular and mind and checking what is in the whole. Then I'm looking Arnica from before it came into homeopathy. What was Arnica for? Then I'm
Mm-hmm.
looking Arnica chemical. Then I'm looking the classical master and the modern master, checking. See what Kent writes. Kent writes that it's a wonderful remedy, a misunderstood remedy, because it is
Mm-hmm.
almost limited to bruises.
Okay.
Let me go further. Yeah? From where this Arnica came into healing path, it
Mm-hmm.
came in 14th century, where the French author, he found out the name of Arnica means to protect oneself in advance.
Okay.
To protect oneself in advance.
Wow.
Now, see, you go further. Yeah? In first use in the medicine, it was in 1625 in one of the leading medicine journal. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It was used for what? Those who have fallen down, hurt themselves while they were at work. It is not just the
Okay.
hurt, while they were at activity.
Okay.
Okay. Now open your. I go to nature. First, your Boric Fatak, I don't go. I go to nature. You know where Arnica grows?
On the
Name,
mountains.
name itself, Arnica montana.
Uh-huh.
It grows
Yes.
on a mountain at the
Hmm.
height of 10,000 feet.
Yes.
What is the common name of Arnica? Mountain tobacco.
Leopards.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, I'm coming to that. Leopard's bane and wolf's bane, which is like aconite. It's the same name, aconite carrying. It's strange that both of them have a same common name. But the first
Yes.
common name is mountain tobacco.
Mountain. Okay. Wow.
Why mountain tobacco? Because at the height when a mountain climber have gone, they used to take Arnica montana to increase their stamina, endurance like coca.
Wow.
Your coca remedy. So they
Yes,
used
it's a
to take
mountain
because
dance.
in a Europe, coca is not there. So they used to take Arnica montana.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, to prevent fatigue, to increase stamina, not to get hurt, not when they have hurt, to increase their cardiovascular strength, to increase their
Mm-hmm.
oxygen level and stamina
Okay.
of the muscle. Okay, this is in the nature. In Swiss, it is still used in the same way.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's go to, further. That chemical wise, what is inside arnica? Is it for injury?
Yeah,
Not a
generally.
not a single research they found that it is for injury. Because
Okay.
arnica being our bread and butter, modern medicine doctors and new researchers wanted to do research on it like anything, no?
Yes.
No, not a
Yeah.
single thing. They found, yes,
Oh.
we all know that inside chemical which is heleniline, which is
Mm-hmm.
anti-inflammatory, and now you will get shock of your life, anti-neoplastic. It
Okay.
one of the
Oh.
leading cancer, can be a leading cancer drug. So
Yes.
it is anti-inflammatory, like your other inflammatory, like aspirin and all those things,
Melatonin.
non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Yeah.
Oh.
Now
Yes.
open your Fatak and Boric. You have, yes, the first three lines are of injury, right? Now check further when you go to mind. Yes, fear of being struck. Yes, it is the remedy for injury at mental, physical level. But we all get stuck there because we have been kind of obsessed with what has been told to ourselves, that injury, injury, injury. Now go to next line. Feels well in a serious cases.
Mm-hmm.
Go to aggravation and amelioration. Yes, there is injury, but injury after labor, injury after overexertion.
Mm-hmm.
Amelioration factor, the one which is leading, is lying down with a head low or outstretched. When you do that, it is, you have been to mountain, right? When you go on a mountain and you are exhausted, you lie down like this,
Yes.
head low. That is, so when you read all this thing, feels well in a serious cases. Let's go to Boric. See what Boric writes. Act well in a plethoric people. Now I can
Okay.
understand why aconite. Common name is same because aconite is also plethoric in
Yes.
sanguine constitution. Yeah,
Yes.
Boger writes, feel well in a dangerous condition.
Okay.
Boger doesn't write much mind, but
Yeah.
he's
Very,
writing
very
that
few
feel,
words.
very few, but writes feel well in a dangerous cases.
Mm-hmm. Amazing.
Boric writes a muscular tonic, limbs and body ache as if beaten, joint as if sprained, bed feels too hard. We know all these things, but
Yes.
all these are coming from not injury, but when you are, whether physically or mentally, when you do too much activity and go on a mountain, and that's where you're exhausted yourself. It's
Mm-hmm.
death. If you get injury there, that's where the arnica was given.
Mm-hmm.
Is
Right.
it making sense what I'm trying to say?
Yes. Yes,
And
sir. Right.
even on the top, when they are injured, they say I am completely fine, I will still go. Even in the dangerous cases where they are really hurt, fractured, they'll still go.
Yes.
You,
Says well when he is not is also there.
so this is, so when you look at this, that why should I only look at arnica just at the injury? Where is this injury when they push them to the top? Push
Yes.
physically, mentally, emotionally, when they're exhausted, that's where they get this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And even at the top, when they're injured, they would not speak about their injury. They say, no, I'm completely fine. Even if injury is dangerous or they are breathless, dangerous, they'll say, no, I'm fine. They will keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Great. Yes.
Now see, Materia Medica, when you go further, the Vermeulen new books, as I said, new books, writes School of a Hard Knock. Arnica correspond to people who push themselves too hard and work themselves to death.
Okay. It's just like carcinosin, kind of.
Exactly.
Superhuman.
Exactly, that's where I'm coming. They throw themselves into a great heroic activity where they are certain to receive maximum number of blows at a height or heroic activity they will hurt. That's where they need arnica.
Okay.
So now I come to this. Since generation, what miasm arnica had been told to us?
Acute, I guess.
Acute. Exactly. Reading all these things, does it look like acute?
No, not at all. It looks
Exactly.
like cancer more.
Exactly. When I read from nature, from history, from 14th century, 16th century, what it was used, its name itself, you know what, in the all, it completely makes sense that it is a person. Here is a person who's pushed himself, whether he's working, whether he's walking, whether it's on the top, and there he gets maximum blow. But in spite of those maximum blow or this, he says, I'm completely fine.
Okay.
So, am I looking at the just acute miasm? No. Then why I made mistake for so many years?
Yeah, that's also a question.
Exactly. Why I made mistake? You know, we have two arnicas in homeopathy.
Okay.
Arnica montana and Arnica mollis.
Okay.
Yeah. So the injury in Arnica montana is acute. Injury is acute. Physical
Okay.
level injury is acute.
Mm-hmm.
Chief complaint is acute. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
But their
yes.
whole being is the way their whole being react is almost like carcinosin, cancer, Mayas.
Okay.
What happened? Where we went wrong? We just stayed at the local level of arnica, injury acute, and we made a whole theme around that. We generalized it in a wrong way.
Okay.
I challenge all of you, just keep going and read Arnica again from different books from every angle. We only read the first 3 lines and we don't read aggravation factors. We don't read generals. We don't read mind completely. That's where the problem.
Yes.
And in fact, in a research wise, they found Arnica mollis to be more injury remedy than Arnica montana. Of
Okay.
course, but the injury in Arnica mollis is chronic from the childhood. So
Okay.
that's where was the problem. The Arnica montana is acute injury, local level, like how you have acute liver problem. Acute injury
Mm-hmm.
doesn't mean that acute miasm.
Yes. Right.
You understanding it, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, yes.
Imagine if
Definitely.
it
A
is this just
symptom.
one remedy. I'm saying the one which we thought our bread and butter, which we thought that we knew. Even the Kent cautioned us that don't go only on a local.
Yes.
This
True.
vision of integrative changed that whole thing. Imagine if I tell you now another remedy just for your example. Nux moschata, what is the main symptom which no homeopath can deny?
Uh, the forgetfulness.
Forgetfulness, lost in the well-known street,
Lost in the well-known street. Yes.
bewildered, perplexed.
Yes.
confusion, right?
Yes. Yes.
Or you will say dullness, dryness, dizziness,
Drowsiness. Yes. Yes.
drowsiness. 4Ds. Now we have been conditioned for years together. I challenge, open if you all have Phatak or Borik. Open your Phatak and Borik. Read the first line. Now see the
Mm-hmm.
integrative, it helps me. First line is Nux moschata, which is nutmeg, causes exaltation of mind. Means excitement of mind in rough
Actually.
language.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now read the third line or fourth line. It is mentioned they have dizziness and the kind of buzziness.
Mm-hmm.
Read further, clairvoyance. Read further, prophesizing. Prophesize accurately and then sleep and doesn't remember about it at all.
Okay.
This. Now you go to nature. What is nutmeg? It is basically a drug which stimulates you.
Yes.
In what way it stimulates you? There is a substance inside which stimulates you, like for a short period of time. It causes mind-blowing feeling inside you, almost as if you are under the control of higher power, as if you have got the message, as if you've got the intuition,
Mm-hmm.
followed by long confusion.
Okay.
Now you understanding it? When the prover must be making note of this symptom, what first they made note of? Exaltation, prophesizing,
Yes.
yeah, clairvoyance, all those symptoms. Then in a diary book, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 10, day 20, confusion, 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 confusion.
Okay. So that's how
If
we know
I
only confusion thing.
Exactly. I'm telling you, if I'm saying this, open your Borik and Phatak, you will find all these things. Borik writes mind only symptom in Nux moschata, mind divided into two. So this is the way
Yes.
if you study
Thinks
your
she has
material,
two heads.
thinks he has two heads. Exactly. So if you study like this, you don't go wrong. That till now all master told me confusion, but I know it comes first. There is excitement, first there is happiness, then or extreme level of happiness, almost as if he got some revelation.
Okay.
Why? This is the whole idea of integrative, looking from integrative, inclusive, and a multidimensional approach. I can go on
That's
and
good.
on for your Nux vomica. I will give you a shock. I will give you a shock for your bryonia, what you know. But it's just, it's all from Borik, Phatak, and Clark, and whatever proving books, basic we have.
Yes.
So the whole approach, and that's what, then people tell me the second thing, that why don't you finish in 2-3 months your whole thing, like others, like the wondrous plant was written in few months. I said there are two ways of looking at the thing. One, it is like, you're building a castle. One you build from the top, air castle,
Yes.
and one you build the pillar. Those who build the pillar, they need to put a castle on it. And
Yes.
those who start from an air castle, they are not wrong. They need to put a pillar on it.
True.
The idea is this method what I'm taking, I'm starting from a remedy, from 7-8 different dimensions, different books, then group of polycrest from the same group, then rare known, then not in homeopathy, you include and check. it takes hell lot of a time. It's not
Yeah.
fitting into a box, everything. Theme is there above and you fix it. No. That's why, but it makes you very sure. Today, when I talk of my Arnika, I can talk in front of any master, including Mr. Vitolkas. I'm sure we'll have a good discussion on it because I'm quoting those books.
True. Sir, I remember once in our class, you taught us Barbaridaceae and you gave an example of Barbaris and Colophyllum and Potophyllum, and you told us that this bubbling sensation and differentiation. I clearly remember the way you taught us, and I still, I practice on that. And then I studied. I went to the books and I saw that this changing the location and character of the pain was the main thing in every remedy of Barbaridaceae, and that I remember only because of this integrative approach. Otherwise, it was just a remedy for renal stone or something like that, just a local remedy for me.
Exactly. What it gave me is that not only it gave me the understanding of that substance from an every angle. My
Yes.
surety when I'm prescribing, it's like I know why I'm giving it at this whole level. When I'm teaching, I know what I'm talking about. So when I'm looking from every angle, some can change, classification can change. But when I look from every angle, much won't change. My
Yes.
surety will be more higher. Then family like Arnica, where I have 173 remedies, and for life, whole life, people have used Arnica, Bellispur, Calendula,
Echinacea.
Echinacea, Echinacea, those 7, 8,
Yes.
or Sina Chamomilla
Chamomilla,
most.
Senna, yeah.
But we have two Chamomilla. We have
Yes, that we do. That
two
we don't
Sina.
know.
We have two Sina. We have Artemisia vulgaris. We have
Yes.
whole lot of remedies which goes to Vaithya and to what not, all belong to Arnica group. So if I
Fine.
understand, when I understand a whole group, it's like whole community. When I understand the characteristics, I understand it well, and not understanding just to fit into something. I've started from local, started from pillar, one by one, and go higher. That's why in 2 years only 40 higher order is completed. Another 2 years will take to complete it. So
So can
then
you
what I did,
explain a little bit about higher orders, because most of us are aware about the families, but we don't know what is order and how do you do this?
it's very simple. It's like family means I belong to a Chauhan family. But
Yes.
my higher order is I being a Jain family. The class
Yes.
is I am a Hindu.
Yes.
Further is plant kingdom is I'm a human being.
Yes.
It's like this. So the more I see the connection at all level, for example, Stramonium group, Rubiaceae group, Gentineals, your Symphytum group, yeah, and your Agnus group, Labiate. So your Lamiales, Solenales, Gentineals, and Boraginales, that is Symphytum group. Imagine if all of them have a similar thing. Can you imagine Stramonium, Symphytum, Apocyinum, Rubiaceae, Coffea, China? They all have similar thing because we
Yeah.
don't read
Never.
from that angle. But when you will check it, it's
Hmm.
unbelievable that all of them share stimulation and excitement. Whether it is
Yes.
homeopathy, whether it is nature, whether it is chemical angle, whether it is used everywhere. and you get shock of your life. How can this is possible?
Yes.
Of course, each one expressed in a different way. One stramonium in a fear way, rubiaceae in a creative way. Yeah, the Moraginales in a childish excitement way, labials is pure body excitement way. When you
Yes.
understand them and you understand why Agnus is this way, why Stramonium is this way, it becomes so easy for you to understand.
Yeah.
And you don't
It
go into
becomes
the
so
local
easy
view,
to.
you have a global view.
Yes. And then you don't have this confusion that how to differentiate these two remedies, and how to use other remedies of the same group which we might not know. Like you said that 173 remedies we have from Asteraceae, but we are using only 8, or some people are using 10 or 12 or whatever.
Exactly
We can use other remedies also.
because of this, I could have 53 cases of composite group. Otherwise,
Wow.
I would have always Arnica, Calendula, Chamomilla, Sina, Echinacea, Abrotina. Because
Yes,
when you
this
understand the
happens.
whole, it you get the case of Cardus marianus sometime. Sometime you get the case of even the chemical of Sina, which is a big
Yes.
remedy.
And you get to know that this also belongs to Asteraceae. That's also a shock of
Exactly,
life.
exactly.
Yes, that's.
And
Sir, also,
you know,
yes, yes, please go on.
go on, go on. So in order to make this, this is what I did. That it is simply one man cannot do it. If my idea is integrated, see what I did is first I made a plant website for this. It is called, maybe Riddhi or if someone of you there, please share there. It is called
Plants.
www.plantski.com. Now
Yes.
what I did there is from APG4 classification, now from the remedy to family to higher order to class, the master key at a whole level will be there. Then the integrative approach, what is in materia medica, in repertory, in proving, in nature, in chemical, in mythology, in Wikipedia, everything, modern use, modern research will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Cases will be there. Then to make it proper, I made a team. It is now been translated into 6 languages.
Amazing. Wow.
Already 6 languages we are releasing in this October. Where you will see
Wow.
when you visit, at least some pages you can open, you see what Jeremy Sher, what Franz Vermeulen, Harry Vander Zee, Anita Salonke, many of them have spoken about it, which I've shared with some of them.
Mm-hmm.
So idea is so integrative. So idea was that let it be so that the next generation, in a book form, it is fixed. But in this
Mm-hmm.
way, a collective energy, it keeps going.
Yes.
Second,
True.
what I did, I made a team of 15 Indian doctors and 15 international doctors. Each one, I will train them once a month about one higher order.
Okay.
So in
Wow.
this integrative way, so the 30 mind thinking on the 30 different higher orders from integrative perspective, they are not fixed on my ideas. Now
Yes.
I'm training 30 more who think scientifically. So that tomorrow when I'll make one, these 30s are already trained. They not get the end result.
Mm-hmm.
So this
Yes.
way what happened, these 30 people now, almost many of them are ready. They will contribute to take it further and further.
And we get to know, such a huge compilation of one order or one family, so that, and by this way I guess we understand each little detail of that particular order. That's amazing.
Exactly. This is where I'm telling you when I'm doing this, otherwise I was a case taking man. This was the last priority, but I feel you go in a depth of Arnica this way because of that vision which you have, collective,
Yes.
holistic, this everything.
Yes.
Like I give you simple example. Yesterday, we had a clinic meeting. Someone asked me, what is the difference between Hippoman, a remedy Hippoman, and a remedy leg defloratum? Now, I had no idea about this remedy Hippoman.
Okay.
I only have this integrative approach. So when she was talking, my mind went into 7 directions. Homeopathy, nature, chemical, what it is, what is the history, everything.
Yes.
And I understood that what Dr. Rajan quoted in Soul of Remedy about Hippoman is wrong. In 7 minutes.
Okay.
And I could show them, look, what Hippoman is this. That it is actually from the horse and not from the other mammals as it has been written there. It is only horse. Second thing, we understood why in a boric only one line is written, that it is aphrodisiac for old philosophers.
Yes, yes.
From where it came? From Aristotle. Why it came from Aristotle? Then from where this Ellen's herring guiding symptom that sit, stares and do nothing, approving symptom came, what it means?
Yes, sits in a window and do nothing.
Within 7 minutes, you could understand that remedy from every perspective. Otherwise, I would have only taken from one generation to next generation, just copying. That's what is, if you see, most of our books are just copying.
Yes.
So this way, it changes your perception. That's the reason we already did. I do once in 6 months, one course online. Of course, I teach everywhere. But the idea is this, that those 150 people who come understand this concept well. We already did in a first part Magnoletes class. We did in a first part Lamiels. We did Cucurbitales. Then in the Malvales. Then in the next part we did Roselles. We did Arnica group, whole group, where I invited who and who all of them were there from all over world's masters to make to the whole group, because they know their materia well.
Yes.
I'm sure, so I invited them to be part of this. Then this time we took it Lilials. We took Malphigials, which is a whole group of from where the Anacin, your non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, came from this family. Different kinds. The whole non-steroidal aspirin. This is the group. Your whole U4BAC, what you know of U4BAC, and when you look from 7 angle, it completely different thing comes up. That's in that group. Malphigial. Your Lily Flore, where you thought you know your Veratrum well, you know your Lilium tigrinum well, you know your Sarsaparilla well, you will understand the connection, how beautifully it is.
Yes, yes.
And earlier what work we did was based on, so that's the whole idea is to do it. And this time also, yeah.
Yes, sir, please.
Go ahead. So I'm saying this time Vermeulen also had agreed to come. Maybe not all the online, because for him it is 5 o'clock in the morning. But I want, because that man, only man who think, feel, perceive, eat materia medica. Yes, so beautifully, yes. 20 out of 24 hours, 18 hours he puts into materia medica.
Yes.
So
his materia medica, there's so abundant and profound information is there. I really like the way he writes all these things.
One day, if we have time, I'll tell you that all this polycrest, how deep they are at a whole level. Your bryonia, your nux vomica, your hypericum. Do we really know, we got stuck to those few words of, did we only know that first line, that in hypericum, why that injury to sential nerves. The
Yes.
meaning we don't know.
Mm.
So this somewhere, it is a nux moschat, a nux vomica, from where this all wine, woman, and worry, you see just beyond that tree line, and you see everything whole running. That's the idea. If I want to nutshell tell you, this is the whole thing, that it broadens your. It's not that you believe in this or no. It gives you an integrative, holistic thinking. Imagine if this thinking comes tomorrow, if you take sarcode, nosode, animal, anything, you will think from a whole level.
Yes.
Best
Right.
example, yesterday, Hippoman, somebody, then my assistant asked me, causticum and Kali causticum, what is the difference? Simple question. My mind went into
Yes.
10 direction. Then I came to know that how, since Hahnemann till today, we made mistake in causticum. That the source of causticum we don't know. You know this?
Okay. No, I don't know
We do,
this. Even I
we
also
don't know the.
started thinking, what is the difference?
It's a,
Because I never thought like this.
it's one of the Hahnemannian remedy. He proved it, but still the
Yes,
source
yes,
is
very
not
well
clear.
proved.
Second, we have many causticum in homeopathy. We have ammonium causticum, we have Kali
Yes,
causticum, we have Calcarea causticum, we have natrum
Calcarea
causticum.
causticum. Yes.
Are they causticum? That means my assistant asked me that causticum already has Kali, then Kali causticum, two Kalis. Then what is the,
Yeah,
she said, why it should be there?
really.
I'll give you a shock that ammonium causticum, natrum causticum, Kali causticum, or Calcarea causticum, they don't have causticum inside. They don't have
Okay.
Kali inside. It is caustic. See how much basic mistake we make. What is caustic is OH. When it go through the
Yes.
water, simple thing to understand. That means KOH and causticum is same. Kali causticum and causticum is same. That's the source.
Okay.
Now,
All
how I
right,
came
sir.
to know
Never knew
about
this.
it? From looking from every angle. It's not
Yes.
about plant. It is about, I can go to the animal like this for you one by one right now. Like how I told you that Theridion is not the right thing. This will help tomorrow when I'm in my practice. If this thinking comes, people don't give you how to think. This is where the young generation
Yes.
after 10 years will take it further. They will not only get bias the way we were biased for 150 years.
Yes.
Anyway,
Yes.
this is it. I would advise you go through that website www.plantski.com,
Yes.
or this integrative, or maybe Riddhi, you can put it about case witnessing there. It's all details there. It
Yes.
will.
Yes.
This is where we see how integrative work is happening. Anyway,
Yeah.
I know our time is. Go ahead.
But so, sir, it's so interesting to read the materia medica through every angle possible and get the spirit of the drug, actually, the whole source and soul of, like sir said, soul of remedy. So it's soul of the family, soul of the order. It's so important to know
Exactly,
that. And
exactly.
guys, if you I want to tell you one thing, that very soon sir is starting plant course again. Like he said that earlier also, he did few sessions of few orders and families, and this time he will be talking about many such orders, higher orders, and you can get to know about how to use this integrative approach in detail. So this course is starting from 9th of October. I have already enrolled and I'm really excited. So those who want to join, please go and check casewitnessing.com, www.casewitnessing.com. And also, if you don't go to the website, just type on the Google "thus spoke the plants," so you will reach to the details of the course. Along with that, sir, I recently I saw the app which your students have made, and this app is such a wonderful thing, because when I actually saw the things which is there in the app, the fourth step,
That's amazing, because all these years, we have received this three-step thing from you, that everything is a three-step thing, or there are three pillars, three-legged stool, like you always talk about. And this fourth step is very nice, because guys, you also check this. It is available in the Google Play Store. You just have to download it and put your registration number
It's
or some
also
ID.
there. It is also there on the Apple, so Apple Store also, both.
Yeah, it's iOS also, so it's there also. You just go and check it. So there is not only homeopathy, a lot of other things also. Like sir said,
The
holistically, you can see photographs, you can see videos, you
idea
can see
idea is idea
cases.
is that
Yes,
idea is that fourth step means idea is that homeopathy is art and science. So I want to understand integrative or individualization and a holism in an artistic way as well as scientific way. So my life is when I want to understand this concept not as a just science as a separate thing. I want to understand from both angles. So that is what
yes,
is in that app, that take yours to next step where art and science come together. When you look at homeopathy, when you, from music point of view, from art point of view, from story point of view, and from scientific, hardcore scientific point of view. So you have a case book which is like Facebook where we post.
yes, yes,
Then we have a discussion group where a hardcore discussion happens on homeopathy. Then you have a media section where you have photosophy, learning through photograph. Then you have
yes,
videos, learning through videos. Then you have learning through voice. Then you have learning through art section. Idea
yes,
is the man learns from every angle. Why to restrict only narrow to two-dimensional? So again, it
yes.
was an effect to that multi-dimensional.
Yes,
So
yes. So
what
guys,
is it
do
called?
check. I will also type the link of link and name of the website and app in the comment box when I will post this video. So don't worry about it. It is known as the fourth step. I am again telling you. So just go and check the fourth step. Okay, and the website name for plants is the plantski.com. Okay, and the second website is casewitnessing.com. So www.casewitnessing.com. You get all the the teachings of sir, the books of sir, the courses of sir, and you can get the whole idea, how he teaches. And you can watch a lot of videos over there, and you will get all the details related to this upcoming course as well. So go and check it. Sir, thank you so much for
My
giving
pleasure.
this
I'll just tell
giving
you,
this
see
chalk
what
to us that we don't know
I,
anything about Arnica. So thank you
I'll
so
just
much,
read.
really.
I'll just read what Hahnemann wrote in Medical
Yes.
Observation. Yeah, in his book. See what he writes. No portrait painter was ever so careless as to pay no attention to marked peculiarities in the feature of a person he wished to make a likeness of. So he didn't means he's saying that, yeah, or
Yes.
to consider it sufficient to make any sort of a pair of two round hole below the forehead by the ways of eyes. Between them draw a long shaped thing directed downward, always the same shape, by the way of nose, and beneath them this you put a slit going across the face, should stand for mouth of this or any other person. Then he
Wow.
goes, no painter, I say, ever went about delineating human faces in such rude and slovenly manner. No naturalist ever went to work in this fashion in describing any natural production. Such
Okay.
was never the way in which any zoologist, botanist, or mineralogist acted. That's what we homeopath like just few peculiar two round thing one nose, one slit, and it's a face.
Yes, yes.
That is where he
Wonderful.
himself is saying this, that why don't you look at the whole? The portrait never be made like this. The way
Yes,
zoologists, botanists, or artists or make the whole. That's the whole
yes.
message. Anyway,
And
yeah,
like it is said that the beauty lies in details. So we should know the details.
exactly,
That's very
exactly.
important. Otherwise,
That's
we
what
just
happened.
miss things.
See, initially all this problem happened around 37 left. 37 remain. That is the beauty. They are the real lover of the whatever happens will remain till the end. And they got the
Definitely.
best out of it. And then see now everything is going well.
Yes.
Exactly.
Nothing is
So
happening. True, true. So, sir,
exactly.
this really clears our confusion, especially for the young practitioners, for the initial practitioners, that they get so lost in the this symptom thing, that because this is so disconnected, you don't understand why it is there, and why this type of symptom occur in specific remedy or specific family. So if you see as a whole, you understand why it is happening, how it is happening, what is happening, not only what but
Exactly.
how and why also you get to know. So
One day
that's
I will
wonderful.
teach you, one day we will learn how to do repertorization at whole level. Lot of shock I'll give you.
Please,
And
that would
how
be
to
really
understand each
interesting.
repertory at a whole level. We will
Wow,
one day do
amazing,
it.
sir. I am
Maybe,
very excited
maybe
for
soon.
that.
Maybe soon.
All time repertory lover.
Sure. Okay. Take care.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much for
everyone. Bye bye.
sparing your valuable time and giving this
My,
valuable information. This was really
my,
wonderful. Thanks a lot.
my pleasure, dear. And keep doing
Sir,
this
my
great
heartfelt
work.
gratitude, and Vaibhav is also here, so he also wanted to say thank you. Can come.
वो
Sir, thank you
वो तो
so much.
आधा दिखता ही नहीं. वो फ्रेम में नहीं आता है क्या?
नहीं सर, वो आप बोलते हैं ना हमेशा जाड़िया, तो मैं वो
जाड़े
मेंटेन करके रखना चाहता हूँ. I
मेंटेन
love
करते
that.
हैं. चल ठीक है ठीक.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for joining us. Thank you.
My pleasure, beta. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Thank you.
Yeah. Should
And
I
thank you,
stop here?
everyone. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Okay. Good
Thanks a
night.
lot.
Yeah.
And thank you to everyone who joined us. And we are very glad that you saw this whole Insta Live. And I hope that you got a lot of inspiration, for reading Materia Medica and using this integrative approach. So, if you want to learn this in depth, do check the website casewitnessing.com and thus poke the plants, because it is such a wonderful thing to do. I am not saying this because only I like it, or I practice this way, but this is one thing which will lead to a lot of satisfaction and understanding of remedies. Okay, so do that. And if you have any questions, you can just comment in the video. I will direct those questions to Dr. Riddhi, and she can answer you. Thank you so much. I will also tag her. So thank you so much, and thanks to Homeopathy Junction for giving me this opportunity to interact with my most favorite teacher, Dr. Dinesh. Thank you so much, and have a good night to all of you. I hope you enjoyed in spite of having so many tech difficulties. Thanks a lot, and thanks, Dr. Riddhi, that you have you have returned the website also. Bye bye, everyone. Good night.